Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize any phone like a pro. Whether you're on Android or iOS, we've got tips and tricks that will make your phone stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's start with the basics. Changing your wallpaper is the quickest way to give your phone a fresh look. So to do that, go to your settings, then on display, and on wallpaper, you can set wallpaper. You can simply choose one of your phone's devices default. Next, let's talk about themes and icon packs. Android users, you have a lot of flexibility here. Download a custom launcher like Nova Launcher from the Play Store. Once installed, you can apply icon packs and themes. And for iOS users, you can use the shortcut apps like to create custom apps icon. It takes a bit more time, but the results are worth it. Now let's move on to some advanced customization techniques. Widgets can add both functionality and aesthetics to your home screen. On Android, long press on your home screen and select widgets. On iOS, swipe right on your home screen, scroll down and tap edit, then customize. Now, changing your font can make a big difference. Android user can go to settings, then again on display and font size and style or text size. For iOS, you'll need to download a font app from the App Store and follow the app's instruction. For those who want to go even further, let's talk about custom ROMs and jailbreaking. Installing a custom ROM can completely change the look and feel of your Android device. Before you start, make sure to back up your data, then you can use tools like TWRP for installation. Jailbreaking your iPhone allows you to install custom themes and tweaks not available in the App Store. However, it voids your warranty and can be risky. So, research thoroughly before proceeding. And here are some extra tips to make your phone truly unique. Live wallpapers can add a dynamic touch. There are many apps available for both Android and iOS. You can also set custom ringtones and notification sound to personalize your phone even more. To do that, go to settings, then on sound. Here you can even choose your ringtone and your notification sounds. For iOS, you can go to settings, then on accessibility, then on touch. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can customize your phone like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.